Good morning, students. Today, beta, we are going to discuss electrical properties of solids. On the basis of their electrical conductivity, solids are divided into three types. All of you know there are three types of solids. But these three types are: number one, conductors. These are the solids which allow the electric current to pass through them. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀ current pass ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. And further, these are of two types. Conductors are mainly of two types. Number one, metallic conductors. We also called them metals. These are the metals which allow the pass of current through them without undergoing any chemical change. For example, ਸਿਲਵਰ, ਕਾਪਰ, ਐਲੂਮੀਨੀਅਮ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰੇ ਬਣੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਕਾਪਰ ਜਾਂ ਐਲੂਮੀਨੀਅਮ ਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਪਾਸ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਸਿਟੀ ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਦ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਸ ਇਨ them. Whereas second type of conductors, these are called electrolytic conductors, also called electrolytes. These are the aqueous or molten solution of ionic compounds which conduct electricity by undergoing chemical change. कि करंट भी पास करते हैं तो नाल इन्हां च chemical reaction भी ਹੁੰਦਾ है. For example, molten NaCl or aqueous NaCl solution. And movement of ions is responsible for passage of electricity through them. ਤਾਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਕਲ ਕੰਡਕਟਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਸਿਟੀ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਪਾਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਐਂਡ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਆਇਨਸ, ਕੈਟਾਇਨਸ ਐਂਡ एनाइंस. ये तो होगी फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ सॉलिड्स विच आर कॉल्ड कंडक्टर्स. सेकेंड कैटेगरीज ऑफ सॉलिड दे आर कॉल्ड इंसुलेटर्स. इंसुलेटर्स आर द सॉलिड्स विच डू नॉट पास द इलैक्ट्रिसिटी थ्रू दैम एट ऑल, कि जिन्हां विच दी बिल्कुल भी करंट पास नहीं हुंदा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वुड, rubber, plastics. Their conductivity value is very low and resistance is very high. And third category is semiconductor. Semiconductors are the solids whose conductivity is less than conductor but more than semiconductor, more than insulator. Semiconductor ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਅੱਧ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ ਵਾਲੀ, ਕਿ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੰਡਕਟਿੰਗ ਪਾਵਰ ਕੰਡਕਟਰਸ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਨਸੂਲੇਟਰ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ. ਫॉर एग्जाम्पल, सिलिकॉन and germanium. Then comes, what is the effect of temperature on the conductivity? The conductivity of metallic conductor decreases with the temperature. Heat कर दोगे तो वायर्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀ करंट पास करना घट हो जाऊगा. Whereas conductivity of semiconductor that increases with increase in temperature. कि semiconductor ਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਗਰਮ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ conducting power temperature ਨਾਲ increase ਹੋਊਗੀ. Then comes बैंड थ्योरी ऑफ इलैक्ट्रिकल कंडक्शन ऑफ मैटेलिक कंडक्टर, सेमीकंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर. एक बैंड थ्योरी की एक्सप्लेन कर दी है कि वाई मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर, सेमी कंडक्टर्स आर इन बिटवीन एंड इंसुलेटर्स डू नॉट कंडक्ट इलैक्ट्रिसिटी एट ऑल. तो बैंड थ्योरी की बनता है कि बैंड थ्योरी, अकॉर्डिंग टू बैंड थ्योरी देयर आर टू बैंड्स इन ईच सॉलिड. वन इज वैलेंस बैंड. वैलेंस बैंड इज फॉर्म्ड बाय ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ वैलेंस ऑर्बिटल ऑफ द एटम्स which are always filled with electron. And second is conduction band. Conduction bands are formed by overlapping of highest vacant orbital which are always vacant and do not contain electron. And according to band theory, these three type of solids are explained. Number one, metallic conduction, band theory for the conductors. So what happens in this case, very important is this. In this case, this is the increasing order of energy from top to bottom. So this is valence band which is filled of electron and conduction band which is vacant always. So in case of metals, what is there? Metallic conductors which are good conductor of electricity. Valence band is joined with the conduction band. They are overlapping with each other. That's why electrons of valence band move into the conduction band, and these metals are always good conductor of electricity like aluminium, copper, etc. Whereas in second case, in semiconductors, what happen? There is a small energy gap between the filled valence band and empty conduction band. So there is a small energy difference between valence and conduction bands. That's why small number of electrons jump from valence to conduction bands, because there is small energy difference. So there is a possibility that some electrons jump from valence to conduction bands. That's why semiconductor may show some conductivity. Small conductivity of electricity they can show. Whereas in third case, insulator, what happens? There is a large energy gap between valence and conduction band. So due to large energy gap between valence and conduction band, there is no possibility of electron going from valence to conduction band. It's not possible for electron to jump from valence to conduction band. So in insulator there is no possibility of electrons in conduction band. That's why insulator do not conduct electricity at all, like wood, rubber, plastics. That's all beta. Thank you.